In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Webex background. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting or hosting one, having the right background can make all the difference. It not only adds a professional touch, but can also keep distractions at bay. To get started, open your web browser and go to web.webex.com. This is the main portal for accessing Webex's online services, including meetings, events, and more. Once you're on the Webex homepage, look for the Meetings option. It's typically located in the navigation menu. Clicking on Meetings will take you to a list of your scheduled sessions, but don't worry if you don't have any scheduled meetings right now. You can still practice changing your background. Next, find and click the Start button. This button is your gateway to initiating a meeting or joining an ongoing one. After that, you'll want to click Start a Meeting. This will launch a new meeting session where you can configure various settings, including your video background. As the meeting interface loads, you'll notice several options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the video camera icon. Clicking this will reveal video options. This is where you can change your background, so go ahead and click it. Now you should see an option to change your virtual background. Webex offers a selection of preloaded backgrounds, or you can upload your own custom image. Simply choose the background that suits your needs. If you want to use a custom image, make sure it's a high-quality file for the best results. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Webex background. Remember, choosing the right background can enhance your virtual presence, making your meetings more engaging and professional. This feature is especially handy for those times when you need to hide a messy room or just want to add a bit of fun to your video calls. With these steps, you're all set to make your Webex meetings more visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other features to make the most of your Webex experience.